Some travelers won't pay online. It's not a trust issue with your business. They prefer bank transfers, especially for high-value bookings. WP Travel Engine includes direct bank transfer as a built-in payment option. No add-on required. Here's how to set it up. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar and click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Payments, then click on General underneath it. You'll see a list of payment gateways. Check the box next to Direct Bank Transfer to enable it, then click Save Settings. Now click on Direct Bank Transfer in the left panel under Payments. This opens the configuration page where you'll set what travelers see at checkout and what they receive after booking. The title field controls the payment option labeled Travelers See at Checkout. It defaults to Bank Transfer. Update it if your business uses different language, or leave it. Below that is the Description field. This appears before a traveler selects the option at checkout. This is where you tell them to include their booking ID as the payment reference. The Instructions field appears after the traveler confirms the booking, not before. Use this to tell them which account to transfer to and your deadline for receiving payment. Scroll down to Account Details. Fill in the fields that apply to your bank. You don't need to fill in every field. If you accept payments across multiple banks or currencies, click plus Add Account to add a new row. Travelers will see all listed accounts at checkout and can transfer to whichever works for them. Once you're done, click Save Settings. Now let's see how this looks for your travelers. Open any trip and click Book Now. On the checkout page, bank transfer appears as one of the selectable payment options. When a traveler selects it, the description text you wrote appears right underneath, reminding them to use their booking ID as the payment reference. Once they check the terms and click Confirm Booking, they land on a thank you page that shows their full booking details, including their booking ID. They'll also receive the same details in the email they entered during checkout. The bank account details and transfer instructions appear further down the same page, so they know exactly where to send the money and what reference to use. On your end, every bank transfer booking comes in with a reserved status in your bookings dashboard. Once the payment arrives in your bank account, you match it to the right booking using the booking ID the traveler included in their transfer reference. From there, you manually update the booking status to confirm it. We have a separate tutorial on managing and updating booking statuses, and I've linked it in the description below. And that's it! Your travelers can now pay by bank transfer, and you decide when to confirm each booking once the funds arrive. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.